Okay, we're back at the MC-2A, and I get to remove this oil pressure gauge. It worked well, served its purpose. I am going to keep it for a spare. I'm just not going to throw it away. The original oil pressure gauge had a female inlet fitting right here, and this is the Joe's Motor Pool from, and I think this is for an MB, a Willys MB Jeep. Here's the fitting, the original fitting that is male, and the right side of the fitting obviously fits into the female end of this AN fitting, AN Army Navy military fitting. And I went to a place called Williams Oil Service, and they had the correct female fitting with a male end to go on to the oil pressure gauge. So that's what we're going to do today. Going to take the oil out, install this nice one, and fire it up and watch the needle move. Be right back. Alright, let me see if I can, there, that looks pretty good, I think. Hopefully I won't block it too much with my hands. So out comes the AutoZone Special. I'll lay that aside. I will come up here, 9/16 for that fitting, and I think 5/8, yes. That nut at the bottom was pretty loose. And I don't need to go Gorilla Tight on that. If it seeps oil, I don't mind, but there we go. And remove those. It is a little windy here today. Wow, that's tight too. Just a moment. Okay, here we go back down there. Okay. Lined up pretty well. Oh boy. Yep, I have to make a little adjustment here. I'll bring you around, show you. So there's a small dimple right there at the 6 o'clock position of the gauge. I have to make a dimple in the panel here, so I gotta set that up. I'll be right back. Alright, I've done a little bit. I got a little tiny bit left to go. I did the same thing with the ammeter. So let's see how we do. Got a little dimple there, you can see it just above the end. Perfect. That fits well. Matching gauges. Now I just need to get two air pressure gauges that'll match these two military gauges. So let's see if I can do this little bit of fiddly work and not drop and lose a bunch of nuts and washers. Oh, I know what I'll do. Still a little bit chilly. And my fingers are dry. Oh, that's gonna stay. Famous last words, watch that thing fall. Ha! Success with that one. Just stacking the washers right now. There we go. Oh, that one's fiddly. Now, I'm gonna lose it. Cripes. Okay, here we go. There it is. Simple. Again, no need for gorilla strength tightness. And now the oil line. Where did it go? There it is. Can't see. Okay. Okay. Boy, the tight quarters up in here. Wow. This is a little difficult to get to without getting cramps. Ooh. It's not tight enough for my liking yet. Around the other side. Yeah, that's even worse. All right, we're done. I gotta move the camera. So I'm just gonna tighten that fitting right there off camera. We're good, and I'll come back with a startup. Be right back. Okay, so this engine has a glow plug to help start the engine in extreme cold weather. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the glow plug. You can see the deflection of the ammeter goes to negative 50 amps. So that's just something I wanted you guys to see. And then okay, there's the oil pressure gauge. So I'm going to start it up. It's going to be loud, and we'll watch the oil pressure gauge climb. Yep. Okay, I shut her down because I want to look and see how much oil is spraying everywhere on my installation. Which is right there in the center of the screen. And it looks like we're good. So I'm going to call that a success. Close her back up. The only other thing that I really want to do is chase down, yeah, that's blurry, chase down why the panel light doesn't work, which is right there in the middle of the screen. So I'm going to figure that out. I've already pulled the bulb. It doesn't seem to be broken. The filament doesn't seem to be broken, so it could be the switch, the wires, who knows. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching my video. Okay, this is going to be the last clip of the video. Supplemental addition. I pulled the light bulb out, and I'm going to put it back in now. It's a twist lock. And seems it was having trouble making contact. So, yep, it works. Fun stuff, man. So when you're out here late at night and you want to see, look at that. All right, now that's the end of this video. Later.